In this video, I'll be sharing 15 of the best Turkish series that you absolutely need to watch. From unforgettable love stories to thrilling dramas and emotional family sagas, this list has something for everyone. Starting with number 1. Şahin Tepesi, Falcon Crest. The series tells the story of two families torn apart by betrayal, secrets, and forbidden love. Melika, once close to Tuna, is betrayed by her and cast out of her home, disowned by her father. Years later, Melika returns as a widow with two children for her father's funeral, only to discover that her youthful love, Demir, is now married to Tuna. Shockingly, her father's will reinstates Melik into the family, a decision that shakes both her and Tuna's world. Obsessed with keeping her husband and fortune, Tuna fears losing everything to Melika. What haunts her most is the hidden truth about Melika's father's death. Meanwhile, Melika's daughter Verda and Tuna's son Efe fall deeply in love, only to be caught in the middle of their mother's bitter feud. Their romance faces constant challenges, overshadowed by past regrets and ongoing battles. Two strong women, consumed by pain and vengeance, clash over love, power, and legacy. Amidst this, family secrets threaten to destroy both households. Ultimately, the series unfolds as a mix of passion, rivalry, and tragedy. The show has a powerful storyline filled with betrayal, obsession, and forbidden love, carried by strong performances and great chemistry between the young couple. However, its rushed six-episode ending leaves the story feeling incomplete and disappointing. An emotional and gripping drama with huge potential but sadly ruined by its hurried and unsatisfying ending. Number 2. Yazgi, The Faith. The series follows Dunya and Umut, who were switched at birth due to a mix-up at the hospital. Unbeknownst to them, their entire lives have been shaped by this event, with each growing up in the wrong family. Years later, their paths cross, and Umut falls in love with Dunya. However, when the truth about their swap is revealed, both families are forced to confront the shocking reality that their lives have been built on a lie. As Umut's secret identity comes to light, he faces a difficult choice between his love for Dunya and his loyalty to his family. The story explores themes of identity, love, and fate as the characters navigate the fallout from their families' intertwined destinies. Yazgi is a captivating drama that follows the story of two babies switched at birth, leading to emotional turmoil as they grow up unaware of the truth. Erkin Meriç's portrayal of Umut is a standout, with his calm yet intense acting bringing depth to the series. The chemistry between Meriç and Yağmur Öztürk adds a romantic tension that keeps viewers hooked. With its mix of suspense, romance, and family drama, the series is both engaging and thought-provoking. Number 3. Rüzgarlı Tepe. Zeynep is the smart, well-behaved, exemplary daughter of the wealthiest family in the town where she lives, while Halil is a young man who lost his mother and father at an early age and lives with his aunt with a grudge to avenge his family. These two young people who live despite their families will find themselves in an unthinkable blind knot. According to me, this series has too much misunderstandings, coupled with a lackluster plot and an unconvincing portrayal of Halil's intense anger, appear more like a psychopath seeking revenge on non-threatening women. But the lead actress demonstrates potential with her strong portrayal of the character Zeynep. Before we go any further, a humble request, please give this video a like. Thanks. Number 4. Veda Mektubu. Al-Noor, a modern businesswoman, and Ziya, a traditional businessman from Antakya, were deeply in love in the past. Their families opposed their love, causing them to unintentionally separate and move on. Mehmet, Ziya's eldest son and a student, plans to quit his job one day. Meanwhile, Asıl, Al-Noor's lively 19-year-old daughter, is a dance enthusiast who carefully plans her future. After many years, Alnoor and Zia's paths cross again through the love blossoming between Asl and Mehmet. Number 5. Yıldızlar Bana Uzak. Yıldızlar Bana Uzak tells a compelling love story of Kadir, played by Furkan Andik, and Asli, played by Burcu Kiratli, who share an unforgettable love, but it's tested when Kadir is wrongly jailed for Asli's father's murder. To clear his name and get back at the Varnali family, Kadir fights against betrayal. When the truth comes out, their love sparks again, but old secrets endanger their chance at lasting happiness. It is a well-written series, which will captivate you with its stellar cast and compelling storyline, blending suspense, romance, and exceptional performances. Number 6. Tats's Princess. Tats Princess follows the story of Masal, a resilient 9-year-old facing the hardships of life in Istanbul, where her mother's life-threatening heart condition and her cruel stepfather leave her with no choice but to raise funds for her mother's surgery through any means necessary. However, Masal's life takes a transformative turn when she encounters her compassionate new teacher, Evgen, who sees beyond her tough exterior. With Evgen's guidance, Masal rediscovers her inner warmth and beauty, impacting those around her positively. Yet, amidst the happiness she spreads, Masal's own pursuit of a fairy tale ending remains uncertain. It is one of my favorite Turkish series, and I will highly recommend you to give this series a try. Number 7. Safir. Safir is the most recent Turkish series of Özge Yağız, where we see the story, which revolves around the Gülsoy family, based in Cappadocia. Their lives are shaken by a tragic event, prompting the return of the eldest son, Ateş, from America. Ateş, who had distanced himself due to family conflicts, returns at his mother's request to help run the family business with his brothers, Yaman and Okan. Yaman plans to propose to his longtime love, Feraye, Özge Yağız, but a devastating incident on Feraye's birthday disrupts their plans. As Yaman has accidentally hit the mafia leader's son into coma. Feraye's stepmother is the only witness of this incident, so she forces Yaman to marry her daughter Alina, Feraye's stepsister, otherwise she will tell the truth to the mafia leader. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out. Number 8. Hudutsuz Sevda. Hudutsuz Sevda is the story of Halil Ibrahim Karsu, who returns to the Black Sea village of his birth. Halil was forced to run away when he was just 5 years old, after his father was murdered by the local crime boss, Rizvan Leto. 20 years later, Halil came home to marry his childhood sweetheart, Yasemin. But when Rizvan's son murders Yasemin, his mission takes on a whole new direction. Halil becomes a one-man army, with the sole purpose of destroying Rizvan Leto. Halil gains some unexpected allies, as he works his way through Rizvan's criminal operations, including Rizvan's daughter Zeynep. Zeynep wants to move on from the illegitimate life, and once she learns the truth about what her family did to Halil, she has no choice but to help him. Zeynep's school life crush on Halil is soon rekindled, and before long, she falls madly in love with her father's enemy, and there is nothing more dangerous than a Black Sea woman in love. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out. Number 9. Kralis. The show is about Ates, a famous basketball player, and his wife Deniz. They're happy until Ates is caught up in a scandal. The story is about how they deal with problems. The actors are great. The story is exciting but also frustrating when Gökhan messes up. It is a short 13-episode series and talks about family, relationships, and issues in Turkish society like cheating and family ties. Number 10. Ali. Aslan Soykan, who's in charge of a big crime family in Istanbul, but he usually follows strict family rules from her mother. His mother psychologically makes Aslan follow her every order. But things change when Aslan meets a wonderful woman named Devin, who is a psychologist. Aslan falls in love with her. As they get closer, Deveen can't help but notice the problems in Aslan's family and tries to help them with her psychology knowledge. But on the other hand, Aslan's mother don't want to lose her dominance over her family and tries to create hurdles in Deveen's path. Can Deveen fix Aslan's issues even though it's like being in a war zone? And can she deal with someone like Aslan, who's full of himself, while also dealing with his own problems? Watch this fantastic series to find out. Number 11. Kismet. Kismet, or Destination, is a fun romantic comedy Turkish series which revolves around Doğan, a lawyer, and Melike, who is his neighbor. Both of them deeply love each other since they were only 5 years old, but they never expressed their love for each other. On Doğan's wedding, Melike came on a motorbike and kidnaps him. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out. This is a beautiful Turkish series which is full of comedy and romance. Number 12. Ateş Kuşları. Most street children do not reach the age of 20. It cannot be said that those who saw it lived. Drugs, violence, sexual harassment, hunger. The fate of street children is either prison or grave. Ateş Kuşları will highlight the fate of 5 of these children, the self-dubbed Koksuzlar, who managed to resist this fate. Their story, which began the day they discovered a 40-day-old baby in a garbage dump, will change from that day onwards, and we, as viewers, will follow the transformation of these 5 street children, from Koksuzlar to Ateş Kuşları. Ateş Kuşları will make us question what it means to be a family while highlighting the struggle of families not connected to each other not by blood, but by life ties, in a hopeful language. Number 13. Bambaşka Biri. Bambaşka Biri is the most recent series of Burak Deniz and Hande Erçel, which centers around the brutal murder of Hamdi Atilbey. This becomes the pivot of destiny for Leela, a prosecutor with a turbulent past longing for a fresh start, and Kenan, an ambitious journalist seeking to redefine his life. Amid conflicting interests, their mutual attraction deepens, with Kenan falling under the spell of Leela's beauty while she remains wary of his journalistic agenda. As they delve into the murder case, their undeniable connection intensifies, even though barriers such as Kenan's father, Chief Prosecutor Turan, initially keep Leela at bay. However, her resistance gradually crumbles, and she finds herself irresistibly drawn to the charismatic man who commands admiration from all corners of their world. Number 14. Esaret. Redemption. Esaret follows Orhun's vengeful journey after his sister's death in Eritrea. He saves Hira, who unintentionally contributed to her demise, and brings her to Istanbul for torment instead of death. Hira, a former captive, now lives as a prisoner in Orhun's home, desperate to prove her innocence. The series delves into their complex relationship as Orhun grapples with revenge, exploring themes of redemption and forgiveness within their shared pain. Number 15. Love Makes You Cry. Ada, a 19-year-old from a remote village, has spent her letter from her late mother. Yusuf, a hitchhiker who finds the letter, learns of Ada's plight and, moved by her story, decides to help her. He travels to her village, returns the letter, and persuades Ada to escape with him to Istanbul. With nothing but hope and the support of Yusuf, Ada begins her new life in the bustling city. As they face various challenges and adapt to a new world, their bond grows, leading Ada to discover her strength and self-worth, while Yusuf and Ada build a future together, overcoming both personal and external obstacles. And that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed discovering this series and its powerful story of love, betrayal, and family secrets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more Turkish drama recommendations.